Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel guys. Today we will show you how to reset the service indicator on BMW E90 guys. Stay with us, we're gonna demonstrate on this 2007 328i now. Okay, let's go inside and see what's happening now guys. Okay, let me find the key. Who knows where I left that thing. Okay, right here. So if I start the car guys, okay, let me show you here. Service due 50,000 miles ago. That thing hasn't been reset at all. So what we're going to do now guys, I'm gonna walk you through the menu and show you all the service things that haven't been reset on this car. So and we'll then proceed with resetting those. If you click this button right here, okay, you need to go to all the way past the day to service info. Press this button now, okay, and we have, you can see oil change 50,000 miles ago. Then we have a couple more 32,000 miles ago that were supposed to be replaced, and those are about the brakes, and more that were supposed to be replaced back in 2013. So what we're going to do, okay, what we're going to do guys, we're going to show you how to reset those now. Okay, spark plugs, actually it's reset at 100,000 miles there. So what you need to do for that procedure guys, you need to turn the car off, pull the key out, okay, like that. Now you need to put it in and don't put your foot on the brake pedal or clutch. If it's manual, okay, push it in, push that button one time, okay, and after your service thing disappears, hold this button, okay, for about 3 seconds. Okay, and we have warning lights. If you have warning lights, you can clear them quick, okay, and hold this thing for 3 seconds until triangle appears, okay, like that. Let go. Okay, okay, we were a little bit too quick. Okay, like that, keep holding, and that's the service menu now. Once the service menu appears, you let go of the button, the reset button there, and now with this one you can go back and forth to the ones that you need to reset. So in our case, this one here, it was due 50,000 miles ago. What you need to do, just click this one here, it says reset. Now we need to hold the BC, okay, hold it until you see a little clock, okay, like that, and we need to hold it, okay, and it's reset for another 30,000 miles like that. So we can proceed with the next one, and again the same procedure. Click on the button, reset will appear, now hold it until it resets. Okay, and you still keep holding that thing, and you can reset anything you need to under that menu there. And if you try to click to reset it again, it's going to say that it's already reset with the, okay, you can see with a little sign next to it. So I'm gonna clear all the messages now, okay, because we've done extensive amount of work to that BMW, and we put new brakes and stuff, so all that need to be reset now. Okay, we have many videos guys, check them out there on our channel, so feel free to check those things out. Okay, this thing, you can adjust the date here, reset, okay, and everything under the menu seems great now. So that's how you guys reset the service indicator on BMW E90, E92, E93 guys. So thank you guys for watching, please subscribe, let's grow the channel together, be part of it. And so guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, see you guys next time.